Some big news coming in. Government may come out with OTT platform regulation norms today. Sources telling us that the government now plans to take away objectionable content on OTT. It will be regulated. Henceforth, sources say in the ministry that a meeting was convened over the controversy related to Amazon web series Tandav, and now reports coming in that the government may just come out with OTT regulation norms today, and all objectionable content on OTT platforms will be regulated. This is the big news coming in here. The Information and Broadcast Ministry had also sought a report on the allegations made against the makers of Tandav with regards to particular scenes that hurt Hindu sentiments as claimed in the FIR. And now there was a meeting that was convened, the INB ministry. Also now sources telling us that they may just come out with regulations, fresh regulations to regulate any objectionable content on OTT platforms. In fact, sources saying that any objectionable content now will be observed, possibly even before it goes out. It will be omitted and then put out on OTT platforms. It will be strictly observed. These are conditions which the INB ministry is currently mulling over. Sources say that the government may just come out with the OTT regulations soon, where objectionable content will be regulated. The ministry has also convened a meeting over the controversy related to the Amazon web series Tandav. Pankaj Upadhyay joining us live for more details on that. Pankaj, over allegations of scenes in Tandav, the web series of Amazon. Now the INB ministry has sought a report and also convened a meeting, and sources tell us that they may just come out with fresh regulations and policy to ensure any objectionable content even before the release of the series or a movie will be regulated.
Yes, absolutely. Sources in the Information and Broadcasting Ministry are saying that either the various OTT platforms make a self-regulatory code, and if that does not happen, then it is very likely that the ministry itself is going to come out with regulations for these platforms. Sources are also saying that the ministry has said that time and again it has been seen that the controversial contents in the OTT platforms are creating a law and order situation, and the government is not happy with these controversies, and as such it will give these various OTT platforms a chance to come out with the regulations. And if at all that does not happen, then it is very likely that the government, perhaps as fast as by this evening, could come out with certain regulations as well. Of course, Member of Parliament from Mumbai Northeast, Manoj Kotak, who had a word with Prakash Javadekar yesterday, has again tweeted that today, yet again, he has had a word with Information and Broadcasting Ministry, and that perhaps reforms would be coming as early as today evening itself. Sources are also saying that it is because of the pandemic situations that many filmmakers were looking for these OTT platforms for the releases, because theatre releases or the release on television was out of question. But then, having done that, they felt free from all the regulations and did not abide by the various regulations. Sources also indicate if at all these players were getting releases in theatres or in the television stream, then they would have had to abide by the CBFC or the Television Regulatory Act as well. And therefore, the force right now is all on the fact that regulation is important because it is creating a law and order situation. And so the word doing the round in the ministry is that perhaps reforms could be coming early, maybe some indication that as early by today evening itself.
Pankaj, thank you very much for joining us with those details. The INB ministry now looking at regulating content on OTT platforms. Fresh regulation or fresh norms might just come into place soon.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.